Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe, and yes, you guessed it, another video means another color. And today I am kicking off my nude series. This is much anticipated. I'm going to be kicking off my nude series with this beautiful satin glossy finish nude that goes by the name of Manhattan. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to be starting off with is our Very Veelo lipstick base. I do have a video showing you guys how to make this base, but if not, you guys can feel free to purchase this base at www.veryveelobeauty.com, and I'll also be sure to link that in the description box below. What I'm putting in the bowl approximately yields for one bottle, which is a tablespoon of the base. Now I'm going to go ahead and start coloring our lipstick. I'm going to go in with half a teaspoon of soft brown oxide, and then I'm going to go in with 2 teaspoons of white titanium oxide. And you guys want to be sure to mix this so good that you do not see any white clouds or any individual pigments. I'm going to show you guys how I mix this product. When you begin mixing this product, you will begin to see the oils instantly start to melt. That is the reason why I love using this spatula. For some reason, this spatula helps everything turn into that creamy consistency, which I like. So when we're mixing, you want to make sure that you press the pigment and the product around the bowl and basically mash and mix. Mashing and mixing is what you want to do. And don't be afraid. We're going to gather all of the product at the end into one smooth finish. To make things matte, we will usually use a half a teaspoon of isododecane. But when you want to make it glossy and satin, you use 1 teaspoon of castor oil instead. And that is going to give you that glossy finish. And then, of course, we're going to go back in with pigment. This time I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon of the soft brown oxide. The reason why you want to go back in with more pigment is because whether you use the isododecane to make it matte or the castor oil to make it glossy, either one does water your product down or changes the consistency. So you want to put that pigment back in so that you get an amazing color payoff. Thank me later.
Okay.
So now it is swatch time. We get to see the fruits of our labor. I like to call this love in a bottle, literally. So look at that amazing color payoff. It is so nice. This nude is amazing. Me being me, I I pray that all of your lipstick businesses take off so beautifully and transform, just like this beautiful butterfly that I am making on my arm. No, I am not bored. I just thought it would be really cool. And once again, you guys, it's time to bottle things up. So I'm going to take a syringe, load it from the back. I have already begun to fill my bottle. And once you fill the bottle, make sure you leave a centimeter space. And after that, you can apply the stopper by flipping your bottle upside down and applying pressure. Stick your wand in, and just like that, you have made your very own lipstick. Once again, lipstick lovers and connoisseurs and lipstick creators, I want to thank you guys so much for coming by my channel and watching this upload. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am in love with this color. This nude can be worn by practically anyone, which is why I like to kind of model the colors after I'm finished to show you guys that anybody can wear it. I mean, it's all according to your preference, but I absolutely love the way that it turned out. Thank you again for coming to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And also, please follow me on Instagram at Very _Veelo. And thank you guys so much. As always, be blessed and stay blessed. Bye. For full recipes like this one, be sure to visit my website at www.veryveelobeauty.com. You can get full recipes to all your favorite lipsticks, as well as shop your favorite lipsticks and lipstick base. Thank you guys.